Welcome back, everybody. This is the Storybee Phonics series. My name is Erin, and today we are learning about the letter Q. We'll be learning about the words quiz, quill, quail, queen, and quiver. Our special guests are carrot and mushroom. This is the letter Q. It makes the sound qua. Say it with me. Qua. This is a quiz. A quiz is a test of knowledge. Try to repeat after me. Quiz. This is a quill. Quills are used for writing, almost like a pen. Quill. This is a quail. A quail is a type of bird that are often found in grassy areas. Quail. And this is a queen. A queen is a ruler of a kingdom. Many exist in stories, but also some exist in real life. Queen. This is a quiver. Quivers are used to hold arrows in archery. Quiver. Now let's play our favorite game. Which word does not belong? Is it quiz, carrot, quill, quail, queen, or quiver? If you guessed carrot, you're right. Carrot does not have a qua sound, so it is the odd one out. Let's play again. This time, is it quiz, mushroom, quill, quail, queen, or quiver? Point to the one that you think does not fit. That's right, it's the mushroom. Great work. Now, can you find the quiz? Point to the quiz. Great job! This is the quiz. Let's do another one. Can you find the quill? It's a little bit different than a quail. Which one is the quill? Good job! It's the quill. You found it. Now find the quail. Great work! You found the quail. Now, can you find the queen? Point to the queen. Good job! This is the queen. And one more. Can you find the quiver? Remember, it's holding lots of arrows. Yes, that's right. This is the quiver. Now repeat after me one more time all the words we've learned. Quiz, quill, quail, queen, quiver. Great job. Follow along at storybee.space. I'll see you on the next one.